Hello everyone. In this video section, we are going to see about network topology revision part 1. So basically this section I am conducting for revision purpose of topology. So what basically network topology? The geometrical arrangement of computer resource, remote devices and communication facilities which are known as network topology or network structure. Network topology determines which element in the computer network can communicate with each other. There are various types of network topology such as star topology. This is a structural topology which is commonly used. It consists of centralized computer system from which the various communication channels which are originate. Nodes are connected to the hub and hub basically connected to the central computer. Each terminal computers can communicate only with the central computer system. If the terminator wants to transfer the data among themselves, it can be done only by sending the data to the central computer system, which in turn sends them to the destinations. This structure is appropriate for organization that requires a centralized database on centralized data processing facility. This is a simple diagram for star topology. Over here, central hub or a switch is connected with each and every node. So these are nothing but directional flow lines. Now let's move towards the advantages of star topology. Easy to add as well as remove nodes. A node failure doesn't bring down entire network. It is easier to diagnose network problem through the central computer. Now we will move towards the disadvantages of it. Failure of central computer server will bring down entire network. As every node requires new cable, the cable cost is more. Now we will move towards the next topology, that is a burst network topology. This network is a very popular for LAN. LAN is nothing but your local area network. In this structure, a single network cable run in the building, campus, and all nodes are linked with these communication line with two endpoints, which is called bus or backbone. The two ends of cable are terminated with the terminator. This is a simple diagram for bus topology. So this is a cable end, that is a terminator. These are the drop lines through which the basically nodes get connected, and this is the backbone of your bus topology. Or we can say this is the main cable for the bus. Advantages: cable cost is reduced, reliable in very small network and easy to understand as well as use. Easy to extend. Two cables can be easily joined with connector, making a longer cable for more computers to join. Repeater can also be used to extend the bus computation. Failure of any node does not affect the whole network. Now we will move towards the disadvantages of burst topology. Heavy network traffic can slow a burst network. Each connection between two cables weakens the electrical signals. If the main cable fails, whole network is damaged. Failure of main computer, that is a server, will again bring down the entire network. Now we will move towards the next topology, that is a ring. A ring topology is also called as a loop. It is a commonly used network structure for LAN. It is an extension of burst network whereas last computer is connected with the first. So that's why this is also called as a loop network topology. In this topology, the network cable passes from one node to another until all the nodes are connected in the form of ring. There is a direct point-to-point link between the two neighboring nodes. The links are unidirectional, which ensure that transmission by nodes travel the whole ring and comes back to the node which made request for the transmission. The data transmission is using by token ring. This is a simple diagram for ring topology. So this is a token ring and these are the directional flow for ring topology. And basically the signals get transmitted by bidirectional method. Means node 3 can transmit the signals to node 2 as well as node 4 also. Advantages: cable cost. Ring network are very easy extendable. Disadvantages: failure of any nodes or server cable will damage whole network. Data has to travel through every computer through transmission line, relatively expensive and difficult to install. Thank you student for watching my video. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, share it if you like it. Thank you.